Hey tech enthusiasts, a big welcome to must-watch before buying the best air fryers of 2024. We've explored the culinary cosmos to present you with the top-performing air fryers that are heating up the kitchen scene this year. Curious about which one will be the perfect companion for your cooking adventures? You're in luck. We've meticulously evaluated them to highlight the absolute best of the bunch. Ready to elevate your culinary skills? Let's dive in. Hey culinary wizards, let's kick off with the creme de la creme of our air fryer lineup, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. Instant Brands has totally upped the game, transcending their famed pressure cooker to deliver an air fryer that's a true kitchen game changer. Competing neck and neck with Ninja for that sweet spot of affordability meets high performance, the Instant Vortex Plus clinches our top spot. This gem is all about hitting that perfect capacity sweet spot. Its square-shaped basket means you're not playing Tetris with your fries and wings. There's ample room for everything to cook evenly. The preset functions just enough to be super handy without overcomplicating your life. We put it through the ringer from coconut shrimp to Brussels sprouts, and the cooking results, chef's kiss every single time. Plus, it's quiet enough to not drown out your kitchen playlists, and the non-stick insides mean cleanup's a breeze. It's a crowd pleaser, not just in our tests, but with thousands giving it top ratings. Whether it's salmon or pork tenderloin on the menu, this air fryer has got your back, consistently delivering mouth-watering results. And guess what? All this culinary prowess comes at the sweet price of $130. Yeah, you heard that right. Top-tier air frying without burning a hole in your pocket. Ready to elevate your kitchen game with the Instant Vortex Plus? Stay tuned for more stellar finds in our lineup. And remember, keep cooking with style and stay savvy with tech. We continue with our next product. Hey, savvy shoppers! Ready to dive into the world of unbeatable deals? Meet the Curated Pro LE Air Fryer, our top pick for the best value air fryer of 2024. This little powerhouse is redefining budget-friendly without skimping on quality. Let's break it down. Sporting a sleek design, this 5-quart beauty fits like a glove in any kitchen space, giving you that high-end look without the hefty price tag. Don't let its size fool you. This curated model is surprisingly spacious, handling generous portions with ease. We're talking fries, wings, and shrimp, all getting that perfect crispy finish. What really sets it apart is its preheat function, ramping up your cooking game to achieve that golden crunchiness faster than you can say delicious. And the user-friendly display? A total breeze to navigate, ensuring your culinary adventures are as smooth as your sauces. Cleanup's just as easy, leaving you more time to enjoy your tasty creations. Now let's talk precision. This fryer fine-tunes temperature and timing down to the minute, a feature that's often a miss in its competitors. Our tests prove it. The Curated Pro LE outperformed even the newer models in the lineup, especially shining with veggies like Brussels sprouts and bok choy. And here's the kicker. All this air frying excellence is yours for just $100. Yep, you're getting premium performance without the premium price. So if you're looking to whip up some magic in the kitchen without making your wallet disappear, the Curated Pro LE is your go-to gadget. We continue with our next product. Hey tech gourmets, here's a legend ready to elevate your kitchen game. Introducing the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, the ultimate splurge for those who appreciate the finer things in culinary tech. This isn't just any air fryer, it's a multifunctional marvel that's sure to dazzle on your countertop with its sleek design and advanced cooking prowess. Dive into a world where precision meets versatility. With a plethora of settings beyond your standard air fryer, this Breville genius transforms your kitchen routine, handling everything from crispy chicken wings and golden French fries to perfect toast. And forget about the guesswork. The viewing window lets you peer into the cooking magic, a feature you won't find in many basket-style air fryers. But here's the real kicker. Its sophisticated engineering is matched by an array of functions that stand out in the bustling world of kitchen gadgets. It's more than just an air fryer. It's a statement of culinary excellence, ready to tackle breakfast, lunch, and dinner with finesse. Sure, it's a premium choice, but for a kitchen centerpiece that combines elegance with unrivaled functionality, the $350 price tag is a testament to its worth. So if you're all about indulging in top-tier kitchen tech that blends beauty with utility, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is your ticket to a world of gourmet delights. Don't just cook, create, impress, and indulge. Ready to make a statement in your culinary space? This is where luxury meets practicality, right in your kitchen. We continue with our next product. Hey culinary enthusiasts, here's Here we are today with our latest product, introducing the Instant Pot Omni Plus Air Fryer Toaster Oven, the ultimate multitasker that's set to revolutionize your cooking experience. This isn't just any air fryer, it's a culinary powerhouse, ready to tackle everything from baking your favorite 12-inch pizza to roasting a succulent rotisserie chicken, or even whipping up a delightful snacking cake. With its spacious interior, this air fryer toaster oven goes beyond the basics, offering the versatility to bake, broil, air fry, and even dehydrate. Imagine the possibilities: crispy fries, tender veggies, and juicy meats, all achieved with that perfect golden finish, thanks to its consistent air circulation and potent heating elements. The Instant Pot Omni Plus doesn't just cook, it transforms your kitchen routine, combining convenience with culinary excellence. But it's not all about size and power. It's about precision and convenience too. With a range of presets at your fingertips and an accompanying app, you're in full control, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out. Sure, it's a substantial piece of kit that'll claim its rightful place on your countertop, but its generous capacity and multifunctionality justify its presence in any kitchen, big or small. Now let's talk investment. All this versatility and convenience comes with a price tag of $250, but considering the array of dishes you can create and the ease it brings to your daily cooking, it's an investment in your culinary creativity and efficiency. So if you're all about elevating your cooking game with one of the most versatile air fryers out there, the Instant Pot Omni Plus is waiting to become the cornerstone of your kitchen. And that wraps up our tour of the best air fryers of 2024. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a culinary wizard, we hope our deep dive helps you find the air fryer that's just right for your cooking style. Crispy, delicious meals are just a click away with these game-changing gadgets at your fingertips. If you found our guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome reviews and tech insights. Want more comparisons and detailed reviews? Drop your suggestions in the comments and let's keep the tech feast going. Stay tuned for our next video where innovation meets everyday cooking. Until then, stay savvy and cook on with style.